Hey, Dave here from Rex. We're going to have a quick look at the 4500 IE silent inverter generator. One of the key features of this unit is that it is quiet, quiet, quiet. This is great for any kind of application, like I said, where you've got to be quiet. It's portable, so you can take it camping. It can be used in any sort of residential construction. It's handy, convenient, easy to use. Aside from its whisper quiet operation, this unit is also very fuel efficient and it is EPA certified. What I like about this, it's got a 12-liter tank on it, so you don't have to keep coming back and fueling it up again and again. It's also rated for 3,500 watts, so it's got a good output to it. This will provide you with 120 volt power. It's got a variety of different outlets, including USB, which is great for those camping trips. Keep the kiddos' devices charged. It's also equipped with an overload protection and a low oil shutdown. Not only is it quiet, it's light, easy to move. Comes with this handle. You can take it with you. It's easier to move than a cooler. So there you have it. For all your quiet power needs, you've got the 4500 IE Rex inverter generator. Come and get yours today.